Wasadima Bakka yaadda ga'u Wasadima Baaburaan kan fiddu Wasadima Yeroo sitti mannu Wasadima Sidaanu nageessu Wasadima Eessa nu qubsiisu Wasadima Keenyarraa nu dibdu Wasadima Maalgoota diidaa asittuu waan dhalateera.
Justice for Oromo students. Justice for Oromo political prisoners. No democracy in Ethiopia. No freedom in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. We need justice. We need freedom.
Supporting the dictator. Ethiopian regime. Stop killing Oromo students.
Free Oromo students. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Norge stop financing Ethiopian regime. Stop Norge stop financing Ethiopian regime. Stop killing, murdering innocent our people. Innocent Oromos. Stop killing, arresting, torturing, murdering. Stop killing Oromo students. Ajechan ummata keenyarra yaadabat qotee bulaan lafarra buqqa'uun yaadabat barataan barumsarra ari'uun yaadabat. We need freedom. Justice for students. We need freedom.
Wasadima Bakka yaadda ga'u Wasadima Baaburaan kan fiddu Wasadima Yeroo sitti mannu Wasadima Sidaanu nageessu Wasadima Eessa nu qubsiisu Wasadima Keenyarraa nu dibdu Wasadima Maalgoota diidaa asittuu waan dhalateera. Sadima Maalgoota diidaa asittuu waan dhalateera.
Free Oromo students. Free Oromo students. Justice for Oromo. Justice for Oromo. We need freedom. We need justice. We need freedom. Free Bakala Garba. Free Olbana Lelisa. We need freedom. Oromian. Kanoromoti. Oromian. Kanoromoti. Finfinnen. Kanoromoti. Oromo. Bukisun. Padapatu. Barata Oromo.
sadima malgo tadida asitu adalatera ujummo 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 sadima bandi oromo ujummo sadima bakayyu alkasa ujummo sadima kafir almakenya ujummo sadima debi sarasasa ujummo sadima arda zakka kale Suganesa, Masadima, Osoja Nagaru, Masadima, Ketunu Jesa, Masadima, Margo Tadida, Asitua, Dalate, Jumosadima, Margo Tadida, Asitua, Dalate. Tadida asitu adalatera ujummo sadima malgo tadida asitu adalatera ujummo sadima kunnan kabanate Oromia shall be free Oromia shall be free land grabbing in Oromia free Oromo student free Oromo student justice for Oromo free Oromo we need freedom we need freedom Ajechan ummata kenyarra adabatu baratan barumsarra ariun adabatu kote bulan lafasarra bukizun adabatu we need freedom free bakala garba free olwana lelisa Free Oromia Free religious leader Stop kidnapping Oromos from inland Stop land grabbing Ethiopia Stop land grabbing Ethiopia Stop violation of Oromo rights Stop violation of Oromo rights Ethiopia regime is corruption. No justice in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. Free Bakkale Garba. Free Olbana Lalisa. Gafi Kenya. Otumma Woyane. Otumma Kala. Otumma Jesa. Otumma Fannisada. Respect.
Justice for Oromo students.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
Justice for
Oromo students. Ajechan ummata kenyarra yadabatu kote bulan lafasarra bukizun yadabatu baratan barumsarra ariun yadabatu we need freedom.
Stop supporting the dictator Ethiopian regime. Stop killing Oromo students. Stop supporting the dictator Ethiopian regime. Freedom for Oromo students. Freedom for all Oromo students. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Stop land grabbing in Oromia. Free Bakkale Garba. Free Olbana Lalisa. Free all Oromo students. Free all Oromo students. Free Oromo students. Justice for Oromo. Justice for Oromo. Free for Oromo. We need freedom.
Free Oromo students. Justice for Oromo. Free Oromia. We need freedom. Justice for all Oromo political prisoners.
Justice for all Oromo.
No justice
In Ethiopia. No freedom. In Ethiopia. No democracy. In Ethiopia. Norway. EU. USA. Stop supporting the killer. The dictator. The mafia group. Norway. Stop supporting the killer. The mafia.
Land grabbing. In Oromia. Stop. Land grabbing. In Oromia. Stop. Killing. Oromo. Students. Stop killing. Oromo. Students.
Free Baqqala Garba. Free Olbana Lelisa. Free all Oromo journalists.
Supporting, financing, Ethiopian fascists. Stop, killing, Oromo students. Stop, killing, our people. We need freedom. We need justice. No justice. In Ethiopia. No freedom. In Ethiopia. No democracy. In Ethiopia. We need freedom. We need justice. Norge. Stop supporting the dictator. Norge. Stop financing Ethiopian fascists. No democracy. In Ethiopia. No justice. In Ethiopia. No freedom. In Ethiopia. We need
Jumosa Dima, Margot Dida.